Welcome to channel, Effortless English from Zero. Learn to speak English like a native. If you are new here, consider subscribing. The ugly chair. Listen and repeat. There is a chair. Its name is Daniel. It is very dirty. It wants to be a singer. But it is very ugly. So, it goes to play football. Listen and answer. Is there a chair?
Yes, there's a chair.
What is there?
There is a chair.
Is its name Daniel?
Yes, its name is Daniel.
What is its name?
Its name is Daniel.
Is it very dirty?
Yes, it is very dirty.
What is very dirty?
Daniel is very dirty.
Does it want to be a singer?
Yes, it wants to be a singer.
Who wants to be a singer?
Daniel wants to be a singer.
What does it want to be?
It wants to be a singer.
Is it very ugly?
Yes, it is very ugly.
What is very ugly?
Daniel is very ugly.
Does it go to play football?
Yes, it goes to play football.
What goes to play football?
Daniel goes to play football.
What does it go to play?
It goes to play football.
Point of view, yesterday. Listen and repeat. There was a chair. Its name was Daniel. It was very dirty. It wanted to be a singer. But it was very ugly. So, it went to play football. Point of view, tomorrow. Listen and repeat. There will be a chair. Its name will be Daniel. It will be very dirty. It will want to be a singer. But it will be very ugly. So, it will go to play football. Vocabulary. Chair. Dirty. Singer. Ugly. Play. Football. Question of the day. Do you want to be a singer? Let me know in the comments below. You have to watch this video every day, for at least 1 week. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, consider subscribing.
See you again. Bye-bye.